What is up, YouTube? So here's the situation. I want to teach you guys how to play Back in Black by AC/DC using only your left and right hand and your right foot and your knees. This is all you need to learn most drum patterns, most pop songs or rock songs. You can work out the main beat with your two hands and your foot. What I like to do is break my beats down to 3 sections. So the first section is going to be called the ride pattern. We're going to be riding on the hi-hat, which would be over here if you're right-handed. There's usually a ride cymbal over here, but we're going to be riding on the hi-hat. This would be the first step of 3 that you need to learn for AC/DC Back in Black. If you've never heard it, look it up. It goes like this. Down, 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 down. First of all, I'm not a guitarist and I'm not someone who can sing guitar parts very well, but that's how it goes in my mind. Look up the song and listen to it. It sounds a lot better than that. Anyways, the first step of 3 is getting the ride down. So we're going to hit quarter notes to start. So this is going to be 4 quarter notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, da da da, da da da, da 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 da. 1, 2, da da da. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So get used to playing that nice and steady. And then you're going to picture there's whack-a-mole coming up. Because the next thing we're going to learn is where the snare is going to hit. It's going to hit on the 2 and the 4. So picture as a whack-a-mole coming up on the 2. So 1, there's the mole. 1, 2, 3, and 4. It comes up on the 2 and the 4. You're going to want to hit them down with your left hand. So 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 2, smack them down. 4, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2. You want to try to have your hands hit at the exact same time. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So just get that nice and steady. So you can you want to be able to do it without really thinking about it if you can. So that's the first 2 sections. We're 2/3 of the way there. The third part is where the kick drum's going to come in. It comes in on the 1 and the 3. Picture there's a whack-a-mole coming up on the 1 and the 3 now, coming up from on the ground. Just stomp them down on the 1 and the 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Another way you can picture it is picture 4 lines going down across in front of you. On the 1, you're going to mark a note for a K for kick drum. 1, and then on the 3, a K. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, and then on the 2 and the 4, you're going to put a S for snare drums. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. And then once you got both of those patterns comfortable, you just sort of put them together. So 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're just hitting the moles on the 1, 2, 3, and the 4. But you're hitting with your foot on the 1 and the 3, and your left hand on the 2 and the 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Your foot and your left hand want to hit at the exact same time as your right hand hits your knees. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, 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 down. All right, that's it. We got it. But there's one more thing I want to teach you guys to make it more exact to the song, more correct. You picture the 4 beats that we've been playing are pies. You have 4 pies. You cut each pie in half. Now there's the same amount of pie because the same amount of note time value, but there's 8 sections of pie. So now there's 8 notes, but they still equal the same amount of time as the 4 notes. So, but now you're gonna ride 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So we go like this: 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Then you're still gonna want to hit the 1 and the 3 with your kick drum. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 3 and 4, and then the 2 and the 4 with the snare with your left hand. So 1 and 2 and 3, 4, down, down and out, down and out. It's coming at the exact same time. The ball's coming up at the same time. The 1 and the 3 is coming up from the ground, and the 2 and the 4 is coming up over on the left. So you just, nothing's changed. You just added 2 notes for each piece of pie you're hitting your right hand. So now there's 8 of them, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, instead of 1, 2, 3, 4. When there are whole pies, it was 1, 2, 3, 4. Now there are 8 pieces, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1, down, down and out, 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 down and out. All right, I told you before, I'm not a guy who can sing guitar parts, and I'm not a guitarist, nor do I claim to be. But hopefully you guys got that down. I'm going to take it to the drum set and show you how it would be played on a kit, so you can see what it's like to take it from here to there. You'd learn the ride pattern of 1,